Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're taking a look at one of the most unexpected and outrageous luxury vehicle concepts ever imagined. The 2027 Jaguar Type 00 motorhome is shocking the automotive world by combining the elegance and performance heritage of Jaguar with the comfort and freedom of a futuristic luxury RV. This is not just another motorhome, it's a bold statement about what happens when high-performance grand touring design meets luxury travel on an entirely new level. From the very first glance, the 2027 Jaguar Type 00 motorhome looks unlike anything else on the road. The exterior design is aggressive, futuristic, and unmistakably inspired by Jaguar sports car DNA. The front fascia features an ultra-slim lighting signature stretching across the nose, paired with a smooth, illuminated grille design that gives the motorhome a clean yet intimidating appearance. The hood is sculpted with dramatic lines that flow seamlessly into the windshield, creating a sleek aerodynamic shape rarely seen in vehicles of this size. The side profile is where the Type 00 becomes truly wild. Instead of the traditional boxy shape found in most RVs, Jaguar designers have created a low, flowing silhouette that resembles a massive luxury shooting brake rather than a motorhome. Hidden door handles, flush glass panels, and active aerodynamic elements give the vehicle a futuristic appearance that feels more like a concept hypercar than a camper. Massive smart glass panoramic windows run along the upper section of the motorhome, allowing passengers to enjoy incredible views while maintaining privacy with adjustable tint technology. Large turbine-inspired alloy wheels complete the dramatic exterior design, while integrated LED lighting beneath the body creates a floating effect at night. One of the most impressive exterior features is the expandable lounge terrace system. When parked, sections of the side body extend outward to create additional living space and an open-air luxury deck. Combined with a retractable rooftop viewing lounge, the Type 00 transforms into a private luxury retreat almost anywhere. At the rear, the motorhome features Jaguar-inspired ultra-thin LED taillights that wrap across the width of the vehicle. Active aerodynamic spoilers adjust automatically depending on speed and driving conditions, improving stability and efficiency while adding to the futuristic appearance. Step inside the 2027 Jaguar Type 00 motorhome and the interior immediately feels like entering a luxury penthouse designed by a high-end fashion studio. Jaguar has focused heavily on minimalist elegance, using premium leather, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, and sustainable wood finishes throughout the cabin. The atmosphere is sophisticated, modern, and surprisingly calming despite the vehicle's bold exterior personality. The main lounge area is open and beautifully designed. Large modular seating arrangements can transform into relaxation zones, dining spaces, or even additional sleeping areas depending on passenger needs. A massive transparent OLED display stretches across part of the cabin and can disappear completely when not in use, preserving the clean minimalist design. Ambient lighting flows throughout the motorhome and automatically adjusts based on the time of day or passenger preferences. Combined with the panoramic glass roof, the cabin feels spacious and filled with natural light. At night, the smart lighting creates a luxurious atmosphere similar to a private VIP lounge. The kitchen area combines futuristic styling with everyday practicality. Hidden behind elegant panels are high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, integrated coffee machine, and touch-sensitive storage systems. The countertops feature polished stone surfaces that add to the premium apartment-like feel of the motorhome. Toward the rear, the master bedroom delivers a true luxury suite experience. A floating king-sized bed sits at the center of the room, surrounded by soft ambient lighting and hidden storage compartments. Floor-to-ceiling smart glass windows offer breathtaking views during the day, while instantly turning opaque for privacy at night. The bathroom area feels more like a spa than a traditional RV washroom. A rainfall shower, illuminated mirrors, heated floors, and elegant fixtures create a relaxing environment for long journeys. Advanced water recycling systems and intelligent climate control help maximize efficiency while maintaining luxury-level comfort.
Performance is where the 2027 Jaguar Type 00 motorhome becomes even more surprising. Instead of relying on traditional diesel power, this futuristic RV is expected to use an advanced all-electric performance platform inspired by Jaguar's next-generation EV technology. Multiple electric motors provide instant torque and smooth acceleration, allowing the massive vehicle to feel far more responsive than typical motorhomes. The adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts ride height and damping settings to provide exceptional comfort and handling. Even on rough roads, passengers experience a smooth and stable ride that feels remarkably refined. Intelligent all-wheel drive improves traction and control in different weather conditions, making the Type 00 suitable for both luxury touring and adventurous travel. Driver assistance systems are extremely advanced and designed to make long journeys easier and safer. Features include semi-autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system. Inside the cockpit, a curved digital dashboard displays navigation, performance information, battery management, and entertainment controls through an elegant and intuitive interface. Voice-controlled AI systems allow passengers to manage lighting, climate settings, and multimedia functions effortlessly. Pricing for the 2027 Jaguar Type 00 motorhome places it firmly within the ultra-luxury category. Industry estimates suggest a starting price around $850,000, while highly customized versions with exclusive materials and advanced technology packages could easily exceed $1.5 million. The 2027 Jaguar Type 00 motorhome represents one of the boldest visions for the future of luxury travel. It combines sports car-inspired design, cutting-edge electric performance, and premium living comfort into a vehicle unlike anything the industry has ever seen before. For travelers who want their motorhome to feel as exciting and exclusive as a supercar, the Jaguar Type 00 proves that the future of luxury RV travel can be wild, futuristic, and absolutely unforgettable. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.